O to, sabi niya, I am the only one who's making efforts. Lagi siyang kino-consider sa lahat ng bagay, pero di ko ramdam na ganun din siya sa akin. Parang hindi naman. Pero he's a good man. Okay. May nag-reply kasi sa kanya. Ang sabi, how is he a good man kung ikaw lang ang nag-e-effort? Tapos nag-reply ulit tong si commenter, sabi niya, I know he's trying. Nonchalant kasi siya. Okay. Mga kings and queens, quick thoughts. Let's go. So if I'm just gonna take everything that you said, no, ikaw ang nag-e-effort, pero siya, he is trying, so ibig sabihin, nag-e-effort din siya. Dahil ganito yan, this is some kind of scenario na when you dig deeper, mas magiging malinaw siya. Kasi pag tinignan mo lang siya sa surface, ang labo. Dito kasi pumapasok yung understanding your partner's love language. Okay? Ganito yan, bibigyan ko example. Kunyari, ang love language ko ay quality time. Okay? Pero, yung partner ko, for example, si Kay, puro abot sa akin ng regalo. Puro regalo lang ng regalo. Regalo dito, regalo dyan, sapatos dito, sasakyan, bahay, etc. Don't get me wrong. Ma-appreciate ko yung mga regalo na yun. No? I'm gonna be thankful for those things. Unfortunately, you can't spend time with me. So, yun yung problema. You are not meeting the love language I need. Okay? Now, going back to your scenario, baka naman kasi akala ng partner mo, no, or akala ng mister mo, yung pag-aabot niya sa'yo ng pera, ramdam mo dun na mahal ka niya. For example, kasi isa yan sa mga factors na big deal para sa mga lalaki, yung makapag-provide. Ngayon, ang equation kasi ng mga lalaki, kapag nagbibigay sila ng pera sa misis nila, sa mga partner nila, ibig sabihin, ako bahala sa'yo. Diba? I got you. Yun ang meaning nun. Ngayon, sa'yo, syempre, hindi ko rin naman sinasabi na you don't appreciate your partner for being able to provide, but what's more than that for you? Ano yung mas ma-appreciate mo pa maliban sa pag-aabot ng pera? Baka naman you can sit down and talk na thank you for being able to provide for your family and for us, pero minsan mas gusto ko ng bulaklak. I-date mo naman ako, yung maso-surprise ako na alam mo yun, yung hindi ko alam na may plano ka pala. I'd appreciate those things too. This is something that you have to, talk about. Minsan kasi parang ang pangit namang pag-usapan, parang minsan gusto ko given na lang sana siya. Unfortunately, ladies, men are very literal beings. Okay? Konti lang kasi yung mga klase ng lalaki na may pagka-feminine side in terms of being able to understand na it's chocolates, it's flowers, it's the romantic side. Sometimes, that's gonna work. Okay? Sometimes you have, a lot of times, or most of the time, women has to sit them down to make them understand. Kahit nga usapang love language, you can't expect a guy to bring up, okay, for majority ng mga lalaki, you can't expect majority of men to bring up love language topic. Minsan, yung iba sa kanila, hindi pa nila alam kung ano ang love languages. Okay? Kumbaga sa pagkakaalam lang nila, yung ibibigay kong klase ng pagmamahal sa'yo, yung paraan na alam ko. Which is for a lot of men, yun ay ang pagbibigay ng pera. To be able to let you know that I can provide for you. Ako bahala sa'yo. Correct? And yung effort nila is putting effort sa work to be able to have that money, to be able to give you that money. To let you know that you are secured, baby girl. Secure ka sa akin. I got you. And this is not me giving excuses for your partner, Okay, this is me saying that pwede nyo pang pag-usapan yan, sit down and have that tough conversation. So, sa mga lalaki naman, you have to understand, emotions are very important sa mga babae because they are wired like that ever since. You can't just disregard emotions. So, being a provider, I have nothing against you. It's how it's supposed to be, correct? Dapat kaya mo mag-provide. But at the same time, you also have to understand na it doesn't stop dun sa providing lang. You have to let your romantic side out paminsan-minsan. Because women wants those kinds of emotions. Those kinds of moments in their life na kinikilig sila, na mga sweet moments, yung isasayaw nyo sila sa sala kahit yung tugtog nyo, Nick Makino, mga ganun. Hindi ko ma-explain sa inyo ng specific yun, tol. Hindi ko ma-specify yun sa inyo, men. Pero sana nagigets ninyo na hindi lang siya pagpapapera at pagpapayaman to be considered a great partner. Hindi lang talaga yun, min. Kumbaga, kung tayo lang bilang lalaki, oo. Tangina, bilib ako sa'yo, tol. May ilang sasakyan ka, may 2 bahay ka, tas isa lang pamilya mo. Tangina, very good ka na asawa pag ganun. 'Di ba? Faithful ka sa asawa mo, tas ang dami mong pera. Tangina, min. 'Di ba? Pero it doesn't stop there. When we talk about the perspective of your wife or the perspective of women, kailangan talaga yung romantic side ninyo lalabas. Kasi para sa kanila, yun ang effort. Gets nyo? Well, kung ikaw ay isang lalaki na walang idea about, being romantic, marami namang dito maraming ideas dito na makukuha kayo sa social media Marami dito, it's not gonna take up too much of your time. Just watch and pwede mo nang gayahin yun. Diba? Minsan mag-surprise ka, bumili ka ng teddy bear kahit wala lang. Ganun. So again, if you're in this situation, mapalalaki, mapababae ka, you have to sit down and talk so they understand. Lalo na sa mga lalaki na pinalaki na very masculine, etong side na to, yung kumbaga yung feminine side, hirap silang intindihin yan. Hirap silang maintindihan ng feminine side. Again, that's not an excuse. Pero yun yung reality ng mga lalaki. Kasi bata pa lang ang mga lalaki, for majority of us. Ang tinuturo kasi sa amin, magsipag, magpapera, magpaikot ng pera. Kasi pag walang pera, wala kang kwenta, wala respeto sa'yo ang tao pag wala kang pera. So, ibig sabihin, ang mindset ng majority ng mga lalaki, magtrabaho, mag-ipon, makapag-provide. Cycle repeats. So, pag nagkaanak ulit ng lalaki, yun din yung ituturo ng tatay. Correct? Kumbaga parang not all dads were able to teach their sons na they have to be romantic to their wives. Gets? Alam ko may follow-up na question ulit dyan, Moose. Paano pag napag-usapan na pero wala pa rin? Ibig sabihin, pinipili na lang ng tao na hindi mag-effort para sa'yo. So yun lang naman yun You have to weigh and look at your partner and see what are they doing for you. Kasi yun nga, again, karamihan para sa mga lalaki, ang effort sa kanila is yung pagtatrabaho para makapag-provide para sa'yo. Okay? And if that's not enough for you, bilang emotional being na babae, you have to let your man understand. But if you already did, tapos wala pa rin, then pinipili niya nang hindi gawin yun para sa'yo. I'll see you in the next vid, my young kings and queens. Stream if you want me on Spotify and on all streaming platforms. Other than that, nice.